Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to withdraw TRX from Gemini to your Phantom Wallet in 2025. Whether you're new to crypto or just looking to move your assets securely, this step-by-step tutorial will have you set up in no time. TRX, or Tron, is a popular cryptocurrency, and transferring it from an exchange like Gemini to a wallet like Phantom gives you more control over your funds. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have everything ready. You'll need a verified Gemini account with TRX in it, the Phantom Wallet app installed on your device, and the exact wallet address copied. Double-check that to avoid any mishaps. Security is key in crypto, so enable two-factor authentication if you haven't already. Step 1. Log into your Gemini account using your credentials. Once you're in, head over to the Wallets, or Accounts, section and select TRX from your list of assets. Next, find the Withdraw button next to your TRX balance. This will open a form where you'll enter the withdrawal details. Paste your Phantom Wallet address into the recipient field. Remember, Phantom is primarily for Solana, but if you've added TRX support or are using a multi-chain setup, this should work seamlessly. Now, enter the amount of TRX you want to withdraw. Gemini might ask for a network fee or have minimum withdrawal limits, so keep an eye on that. Review everything carefully. Wrong addresses can lead to lost funds. Hit Confirm, and follow any additional verification steps, like entering a code from your authenticator app. Once approved, your TRX should arrive in your Phantom Wallet within a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. One quick tip. Always check for the latest updates in 2025, as crypto platforms evolve. If you run into issues, Gemini's support or Phantom's help center can guide you. There you have it. You're now a pro at withdrawing TRX. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.